Learn numbers and color with ball game. Where is the red ball? Where is the red ball? Here I am. Here I am. Can you find red basket? Can you find red basket? Sure I can. Sure I can. Red basket. Red basket. Where are you? Red basket. Red basket. Where are you? Here are you. Here are you. Where is the white ball? Where is the white ball? Here I am, here I am. Can you find white basket? Can you find white basket? Sure I can, sure I can. White basket, where are you? White basket, where are you? Here are you, here are you. Where is the yellow ball? Where is the yellow ball? Here I am, here I am. Can you find yellow basket? Can you find yellow basket? Sure I can, sure I can. Yellow basket, where are you? Yellow basket, where are you? Here are you, here are you. Where is the blue ball? Where is the blue ball? Here I am, here I am. Can you find blue basket? Can you find blue basket? Sure I can, sure I can. Blue basket, where are you? Blue basket, where are you? Here are you, here are you. Hello kids, let's learn numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. For more educational video, please like, share and subscribe to Tota Mena TV.